Hey super foodies, and welcome back to Cooking with Angeli. Today we're making something a little bit different. We're going to be making a drink, and it's one of my favorite milkshakes. The reason why I invented this milkshake is because I'm a really big fan of McDonald's milkshakes. But milkshakes in general, with the amount of ice cream, can be a little bit unhealthy. So I decided to kind of get the thick, creamy milkshake that I love so much and try and achieve it in a different way. So I'm going to show you how I do that today. Let's just get started. We're going to be starting with these. In this recipe, we're going to be using avocados to make this a little bit healthy. And these are going to be my substitute in this recipe for ice cream. So I've got my nutribullet here. I've actually also got a nutribullet and I've got a magic bullet. So you guys can use any blender that you've got at home to make this. Hashtag not sponsored.
But if you want to give me money, I will take it.
What he said. This recipe is actually really easy because it's mess-free. I don't usually use a chopping board. I literally just cut the avocado in half. I'm going to do a portion for 2 people. So I'm going to use 2 avocados, cut them in half. How I actually do this, because I'm too lazy to take out a chopping board, is I peel the avocado and just put it all in with my hands. I literally just peel around it like this. There. Wash my hands. Next, I'm gonna add ice. So because I'm making it for 2 people, I'm gonna add a little bit extra ice. That will also help to thicken the milkshake and to make it ice cold. Now we're gonna add some vanilla essence. So this makes it a vanilla avocado milkshake. Just a drop. When I first started making this recipe, I used to add sugar, and I slowly weaned myself off it and got used to the taste. So I'm not gonna add sugar today, but I think I started with like a teaspoon of sugar because that's what I have in my tea and coffee to make it a little bit sweeter. And then I gradually reduced that to half a spoon and then to nothing. It's healthier if you don't use the sugar, but obviously taste-wise, it's completely optional. We're already helping to reduce the sugar in it by using granulated sugar or brown sugar instead of ice cream, which contains so much sugar. Next, I'm gonna add some milk. If you would like and prefer to, you can use oat milk or any other nut milk, but in my family today, we just have normal milk, full fat milk lying around, so I'm gonna use that. Normally, I would put this to the max line. This container doesn't actually have a max line, so I'm just going to put it about 1 centimeter above the avocado, and we'll just kind of see what the thickness is once we blend it and go from there and see if it needs any more milk. Okay, I think it's done. So you guys can tell from the consistency, it's a lot thicker than just using powdered milkshake. Just gonna give it a stir and check everything has blended, and it has all blended together. That is good. I'm just gonna scoop out the remainder. If you'd like, you can actually use less milk than what we just used to make it even thicker than this, which I normally prefer, but this is okay too. Last but not least, I have my reusable metal straws, which I will leave a link to for you guys down in the description box. They are so pretty and they're perfect for bubble tea and for these milkshakes because they're really thick. There we go. And our milkshake is ready. Let's give it a taste. That's good. So if you guys enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like, share with your family and friends, and subscribe and press the bell icon for future videos. I'll leave a link to all my tech products, these straws, in the description box below. Oh, and if you guys give it a try, don't forget to tag me in your photos at Cooking with Angeli and hashtag Cooking with Angeli in your posts and stories. And leave a comment on future recipes, future videos, what you think about this video. Thanks for watching. Bye guys.